What's going on, everybody? It's Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group here in Victoria, BC. And as you can see, I'm standing in this beautiful brand new build in Langford. Now this is 3456 Caldera Court. It is a 4-bed, 5-bath home with a 2-bedroom suite. And follow me along with the tour.
All right, as we pan across, we are on Caldera Court, one of Bear Mountain's newest subdivisions here. You can see tons of great new builds on Bear Mountain. And if you don't know what Bear Mountain is, it's a beautiful resort style community here in Victoria. Tons of restaurants, hotels, and 2 golf courses. Now, as we walk up to this home, you can see those irrigated sprinklers going on down below. You got sprinklers throughout the whole property, front and back. And this is a fantastic home that's at the end of the cul-de-sac. Now, as I fumble with the key a little bit here, we open up that front door. We're going into the seating area or a den, whichever you want to do. Very beautiful feature wall across, adds a little bit more texture to the room. As I'm taking off my shoes here, we'll show you those white oak floors and those 9-foot ceilings. Of course, pot lights throughout the home. Now, as we walk through, we're going to take a sharp left here. We're going to walk into the first out of 5 bathrooms for this home. Of course, this is a little powder room. You can see black feature with the white quartz and black tile. Very cool looking design here. And right next to it is going to be your coat closet with some fantastic built-in. Now, as we cross the hallway, we're walking into the laundry room here now. This laundry room also acts as a mud room. You got a sink there, you got your side-by-side appliances, a bench up top, tons of space, tons of storage. And right behind me here, right there, that's going to be your door into your 2-car garage. Great towel too, easy to clean up if you got some muddy boots. And here is the open concept style of the living area. You can see those built-in speakers, like I said, pot lights throughout. Very cool if you're not really fully catching on the camera, but kind of this mint green feature wall that the builder has put in. Natural gas fireplace, and look at that view. Tons of views of the mountains there, a balcony out there to enjoy either a morning coffee or an evening drink. And this is the kitchen dining combo. Very cool light fixtures that they put in here. This dining room area is going to fit at least 8 people here. Very large island that we're looking at right now. You can fit a couple stools underneath there. And like I said, a bit of a mint kind of hue on those cabinets. Really cool design. This is your KitchenAid package here. You got your dishwasher there, and the developer decided to go with a black faucet and black knob contrast to the white. Very cool design up top with those accent lighting there. Here is your gas stove top, right? Absolutely stunning here, and your very large pantry. As we come out here, we'll turn the corner. We'll see that built-in microwave and stove and French door style refrigerator there. I'm going to open up this, show you how much storage you got. As you can hear me saying a lot, it's storage, storage, storage. Now, another feature that the developer has put in here, you can see right there, you've got cameras throughout the home. Now we're gonna walk up the stairs. You can see that feature wall that reaches up from the flooring all the way to the ceiling. Very cool design. And we're gonna go upstairs to the top level, which is gonna be your 4 bedrooms. All the bedrooms are gonna be on this floor here. Now these ceilings are gonna be 8 feet. As you can see, pot lights throughout. Right to the right there, it's gonna be your linen closet, and we're gonna go walk through some bedrooms. Now, the cool thing about these bedrooms is all of them, except for these 2, have their own ensuite. These 2 that we're going through first actually share an ensuite. But this size bedroom, this one is gonna be actually one of the larger ones aside from the primary. This one's actually 14.6 by 13.1 with a great walk-in closet right there. With your built-ins. Here is your shared bathroom, which we call a cheater bathroom, with a stand-up shower there. As we turn the corner, here is the smallest bedroom on this floor, still coming in at 11.5 by 10 feet, so larger than the standard 10 by 10s that you are seeing now. Still ample room. You can see not a walk-in closet, but of course this closet still is double doors and is going to have those built-ins there. And I'm just going to show you that cheater bathroom. And we're going to take a sharp right here and go into the 3rd bedroom. This is 11.5 by 12 feet. And this one has its own separate ensuite here. So you can call it your second primary if you want. And as you can see there, black accent, really cool design here by the builder. Now this one doesn't have a walk-in closet, but similar to that third bedroom, it does have those double French doors there, which they're built in. Now we're gonna go across the hallway here. And this is the primary room. Very cool feature wall. Again, similar to that stairwell where you got the flooring coming up to the ceiling. You'll notice a very beautiful view of the mountains there, and your own little private balcony there for you to enjoy your morning coffee. We're gonna walk into the ensuite here. You'll notice you got your partner sinks there, a stand-up shower, a massive soaker tub, and we'll take you through the ensuite, which is actually, believe it or not, bigger than the pantry downstairs. And this house, if I didn't mention it before, it's a 3,000 square foot home, and that does not include the 900 square foot 2-bedroom suite down below, so 3,900 square feet in total. For this main home, you got 4 beds and you got 5 bathrooms. Now we're gonna be walking down into the media room in just a moment here. So this media room, also known as a family room, is about 15 feet by 14.10, so great size. As we walk towards that window, you can see good sized backyard. You probably see those sprinklers going and a covered patio. Cool thing about this is you've got a sink down below here and your 5th bathroom. And what you also got through that door is you got some under the stairs storage here. You can see your hot water on demand there, your furnace, and if I didn't already mention it, you do have a heat pump outside, so you keep your home nice and cool in the hot summer days. That's everything for this part of the tour of the inside of this home. We're gonna throw those shoes back on, we're gonna walk down the side, we'll take a look at the backyard, and we'll go check out that 2-bedroom suite. So this was not my first tour of this property, or first run at it, I will say. A couple of times when I wasn't paying attention, I was walking right through those sprinklers. Fully fenced in for any pets you got. Actually, surprisingly good sized yard, as a lot of new developments don't have a nice sized backyard, but we'll walk through that covered patio. You can see just some other gravel area with a set of stairs that are gonna go up, and there's your heat pump right there. And we're gonna take a corner here and we're gonna walk through the 2-bedroom suite, which nice thing about this suite is you got your 8-foot ceiling, so not very claustrophobic feeling, nice and open, and it gets a surprisingly amount of good light for being a basement suite. Now, of course, different appliance package gonna be in the suite, not the stainless steel like it is upstairs, but still solid appliances. Of course, all of them brand new. You got that great backsplash, white quartz countertops, and they went for the black knobs as well. So this suite is a 2-bedroom, like I mentioned, but it is also a 1-bathroom suite. So we're gonna take this left here, and this is gonna be the 2nd bedroom, we'll call it. This is 12.5 feet by 9'8". You can see each bedroom does come with built-in, which is fantastic. And right behind that door right there, that's gonna be your in-suite laundry, so no shared laundry. Now these are just gonna be stacked here. Here's the 1 bathroom. So no tub in this suite, it's just a walk-in shower. And as we turn the corner, here is the primary bedroom. You can see across the wall right there, that's actually a sub panel. So it is a 200 amp service with a sub panel leading into the suite. So they can get their own separate hydro bills here, completely separate from the upstairs home. So if something trips down here, it will not affect upstairs. And this room is 12 feet by 11.5 feet. And as you can see in the suite, we've got electric baseboard throughout. And that's the whole tour, guys. Thank you so much for joining.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. As I mentioned before, my name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group. And should you have any interest in this home or any questions regarding real estate here in Victoria, don't hesitate to give me a shout. Thank you for joining.